If you're using a Temu discount code but the savings look small, there's a good chance you're missing a simple trick that can make the discount bigger, because Temu doesn't always give a single flat coupon. Instead, the size of your discount often depends on how the promotion is activated and how your cart is built. So in this video, I'll show you the easy trick for getting bigger savings with Temu discount codes. Before we get into it, I've placed the latest working Temu discount code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes you can try in case Temu rotates the main one. Now let's talk about the trick. The problem: most users run into most people do this. They open Temu, start shopping, add a few items to the cart, and then try entering a discount code at checkout. Sometimes the discount works, but it's usually very small. That's because Temu often gives different coupon bundles depending on how the promotion is activated. If you activate it the wrong way, you may only see the smaller discounts. The easy trick for bigger discounts. The trick is simple. Instead of opening Temu first, start by activating the promotion through the link in the description. This connects the discount campaign to your account before you start shopping. When Temu recognizes that your account entered through a promotion, it often unlocks larger coupon bundles. Check your coupon wallet. After activation, open the Temu app and log into your account. Then go to Profile Coupons. Here you may see several coupons instead of just one. For example, you might get discounts like $5 off, $10 off, $20 off. These coupons can be used across different orders. Build your cart strategically. Another trick for bigger savings is making sure your cart meets the minimum purchase requirement. Many Temu coupons work like this: $10 off orders above a certain amount, $20 off larger orders. If your cart total is just below the requirement, the coupon won't activate. Sometimes, adding one small item can unlock a much larger discount. Apply the coupon at checkout. When you're ready to check out, Temu will show the coupons available for your order. Just tap Available Coupons, choose the one you want, and apply it. Once selected, the discount should immediately appear in your order total. Final tip: Temu discount codes rotate frequently, and some promotions disappear quickly. That's why I keep the latest working codes in the description and pinned comment, so you can always try the newest ones. If this trick helped you save more money on Temu, comment how much you saved. I always like seeing the results.